Hi, I'm Brian from Graco. I'm here to show you how to assemble the bouncer seat for the DuetConnect LX with multi-direction. And now that you have all your pieces, be sure that you have a Phillips head screwdriver and the screws which were taped to your instruction manual. First thing we'll do is take the bouncer legs, make sure the rubber feet are on the floor, and connect them with a connector. Tug on them to make sure they're secure. Next, turn over the bouncer legs and insert them into the frame. Insert in each side, right here. Next, secure the seat back and the seat front in this area of the plastic. And secure with a screw, one on each side. Next, take the seat tube with the snaps facing towards the vibration housing and insert them into the handles. Push down until you hear a click. Next, insert the release strap into the socket. Next, secure the seat tube to the bottom of the seat using 2 screws. Next, pull the soft goods around the vibration housing on the front of the seat. Attach the elastic loops on the hook. Repeat for the other side. Next, attach the webbing to the seat bottom through the 2 slots in the base. Repeat on the other side. Snap the flaps to the seat tube. Do this on both sides. Next, take the last snap and snap it to the seat tube and repeat for the other side. And now your seat is assembled and ready to be used. And now you're ready to put the bouncer on the swing. Check to be sure that it's secure by pulling up. And now you're ready for your baby.